Hi everyone, my friends, it's Velar here. Today I'm going to show you how to free up space on your C drive. First, I want to start by saying that the recycle bin usually takes up a lot of space. So make sure to empty your recycle bin regularly or it'll clog up your C drive. Next, you can open the run dialog, yes run, and type %temp%. Then press Ctrl A to select all and delete. These are cache files. Now they'll be deleted. Next, you can delete Windows updates. To do this, go to the C drive, then go to Windows. Go in here. Here we have a software distribution folder. And inside there's a download folder. Delete all of that. There. You can delete your browser's cache. Go to your browser, click on the three dots, then Settings. Here we have Downloads. You can also look at the Downloads folder and delete anything you don't need from there. There. Besides that, there's something else here. Like a cache, yes, you can just search for it. Search browsing data, cache, and delete all of it to free up space. That's all. Velar was with you. Goodbye, everyone.